We decided that we wanted to go to New York.
We had planned the trip super spontaneous, and a week later we bought our home.
So we're not gonna go to fancy dinners, we're gonna eat on the street, and we're flying with one carry-on.
I'm naturally not a very organized person.
I never check bags.
I used to be the person that brought so many suitcases.
The nice thing about this bag is that it's got compartments for everything.
Once I get kind of my jewelry accessories in, clothing goes on the other side, and then I'm good to go just for that one pair of shoes that I might need.
Bianca will generally pack more clothes, whereas I pack more things.
See, I forgot my tech, so I'm gonna put that back in. Simplifying our life means earning time back. How do you earn back time? And is time happiness? Absolutely.